the elephant's giant sneeze. Meet Eddie. He's a big elephant who just forgot one little thing. How to use his trunk. Now he's sneezing bubbles and noodles. What is going on? Let's find out. Hello, my funny friends. Welcome back to the J channel for kids. Today, we are in the sunny savannah. Everyone is having a quiet afternoon. But wait, do you hear that? Sniff, sniff. It's Eddie the elephant. Eddie has a very long, very useful trunk. But this morning, Eddie woke up and his trunk feels like a giant, wiggling noodle. He forgot how to use it. Instead of spraying water, he's doing some very silly things. Are you ready to help Eddie get his trunk back in order? Eddie the elephant, great and so big, was dancing a happy and trunk-whirling jig. But he bumped his long nose on a ticklish tree, and his trunk started acting as wild as can be. He tried to drink water from down in the lake, but he blew out a bubble as big as a cake. It floated away with a shimmer and shine, while Eddie just shouted, "That wasn't quite mine." He tried to pick grass for a mid-morning snack, but his trunk did a flip and a flop and a whack. He sneezed a big sneeze of A-choo, and a K-chow and a bunch of pink flowers landed right on a cow. Oh, Eddie, left monkey from high in the leaves, your trunk is all tangled. It huffs and it heaves. Eddie tried hard to spray dust on his back, but out came a sound like a quack, quack, a quack. He was frustrated, sad, and a little bit blue. I don't know what my nose is supposed to do. Then a tiny blue bird landed right on the tip and gave Eddie's trunk a small, ticklish nip. Eddie inhaled with a rumble and roar, a sneeze like the world had never heard before. Oh, A-choo! The dust flew away and the bubbles all burst. His trunk was all fixed. He was over the worst. He sprayed a cool mist for his friends in the heat, with a trumpeting sound that was rhythmic and sweet. I remember, he trumpeted loud and so clear, "My trunk is the best thing in all the world, dear." Oh my goodness! Did you see that giant sneeze? A-choo? Eddie's trunk was so silly. Sometimes we forget how to do things, and that's okay. We just need to take a deep breath and try again. Can you pretend to have a trunk? Put your arm in front of your face. Now, let's take a big breath and sneeze the chew. Now, let's make a trumpet sound. Toot-toot, you are a wonderful elephant. Words of the day from the learning section before we end our story. Let's read 5 words of the day together. Repeat after me and let's giggle while we learn elephant. Say elephant. Your turn trunk. Say trunk. Your turn sneeze. Say sneeze. Your turn water. Say water. Your turn nose. Say nose. Your turn super duper reading. You are as smart as an elephant. Eddie learned that even when things go wrong, a big laugh can fix almost anything. Let your kindness be a daily sunrise rising quietly, shining gently, and warming every heart it touches. Let's spread a dash of kindness every day. Happy New Year. Please like and subscribe to the J channel for kids. Thank you.